everywhere. Smash is here. Run! 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 Run home! So I don't enough feel cold. Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. This is Osaro Vlogs. So today I'll be unboxing a 40-inch smart TV with so much excitement because I didn't know we'll get a TV this early. But with kids, no choice than to get one real quick. Well, I don't really know much about TV, but here on the box it is written 2022 Fever TV. So I guess they are partners. So let's open and see how it looks inside. The excitement when I have opening a new item. Am I the only one that does this? It really makes me happy. Like I feel some kind of, I don't know if to call it an achievement. I don't know. So this is the stand of the TV, also known as the leg. This is the second one. This styrofoam is actually to prevent the TV from being damaged in transit. Yeah, so that you get your item intact. See, I'm trying to bring out the TV. Hey, new TV that we haven't even seen what it looks like inside before it slips out of my hand. Please. This is what Yoruba people call bese. So look at the TV. This is what it looks like inside. I just want to check if everything is intact to be sure of what we purchased. Just kidding, I'm sure everything is intact. This is the cable. Everything looks fine. My husband is trying to help us set up and mount the TV. Zoe's joy knows no bound. Her prayer has finally been answered. She has been disturbing, guys. She has been disturbing her dad to get a TV because Zoe likes TV. Oh my goodness. I know kids love TV, but I think Zoe's own is on another level. She likes to watch TV. So now this is an answered prayer for her. She was helping her dad to get the cruise. You know, she was basically an apprentice on this day, and she enjoyed doing the work. She didn't even complain because what she wanted has finally come. Even me, I was excited. I mean, who won't be excited? Not because I watch TV, or not because I'm a TV person, but it's something to have. TV is a good thing to have in the house. Season, all he does is pick things to eat. He's eating this styrofoam. Zero worries. Nothing is disturbing him. His way is just to eat, sleep, and play. Once he's satisfied, that's all. See Zoe. Zoe's mouth was just running, you know. Excitement. See Zayn has found new toy. He has quickly gone to the TV. He's like, what is this? Last time I saw a TV, I wasn't this big. I didn't know what the TV was. See Zoe. She's so excited. She's like, thank you, Jesus. Yeah. TV is here. I can watch TV as I like. You know, see, it's the way Zoe carries it for me. She's like, please, I haven't even watched TV yet. Don't come and spoil or break the screen. Zayn has come back. Even him too is excited. He's like and it's time to set up our Christmas tree. This is now a tradition actually, and one of Zoe's highlights during Christmas period. And I didn't want relocation to stop us from setting up a tree this year. She likes it when we set up Christmas tree together. You know, we get to gist, bond, and we even quarrel at times while setting up because Zoe can be strong-willed. This year we had the scantiest Christmas tree ever. Hey, I actually planned to buy more ornaments, but I don't know, for some reasons I didn't go back to buy them. And considering the fact that Zayn won't even allow the tree to rest. We're almost done setting up our scanty Christmas tree. And at this point, I was getting tired, to be honest. Setting up a Christmas tree is a whole lot of work, though. I'll put in a picture of how the tree came out. Zoe added more life to the tree by putting the Christmas card she got from her friends in school on the tree, which made the tree a bit more beautiful. Guys, it's snowing! I was just about to head out when I realized it was snowing. Hey, I was excited, but the way I cacked up to avoid stories that touch. I don't want to hear that when I went out, I got cold and maybe ill, all these things that comes with the weather.
Yes, we're out and about. Cold, snow, winter got nothing on us. See everywhere. Snowing. I want to go and blow this balloon and get his medication from the pharmacy. The weather is freezing cold. I'm just going for collecting these balloons. See? This is it.
Guys, I was on my way back to the store where I got the balloon because the balloon already deflated as I got home because of cold. Premium tears at this point.
I've just collected this balloon again. They've repumped it. They said it's because of the cold. So I don't want the balloon to start feeling cold. Start running! Run! 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 Run home! So balloon will not feel cold. Operation no cold for balloon. I'll put the balloon inside my sweater and I'll still run it. Still I don't run tired. So I don't pass exercise. I burn like 50,000 calories. It's hard running that nobody said to me because of the balloon. Yes, so I saved the balloon. I'm almost home. Thank you, Jesus.
We had to settle for a DIY photo shoot because we just moved and were new in the area. Finding a photographer was so difficult. Most of them were like, it's Christmas period, so they've put in their Christmas theme and they don't want to take any birthday photo shoot at that time. So it was just up and down and I didn't want anything to distract me. My morale was getting low, because I had plans for Zane's birthday, if not for this relocation. It is what it is. I didn't want anything to demoralize me. We finally found a photographer though, but for one thing or the other, we couldn't make the photo shoot even after paying deposit. Guys, this lady refused to refund our deposit. Hey God, imagine being scammed barely how many weeks into your relocation to a new area. You know that feeling. But thanks to our church member, like two of our church members, Deborah and Esther, if you are watching this, thanks for the encouragement. They pushed me like, you can do this, you don't need a photographer, anybody to help you, just buy the props and get going. With the kind of husband I have, who is very creative. He was our creative director, at the same time the photographer. He helped a lot, brought the ideas and all that, while I was the chief decorator. Zoe was the costume manager. We all put heads together to make it work. And the pictures came out really nice. Stay to the end to see the outcome of the pictures. Professional photographers no do pass like this. We couldn't take more than one shot or one outfit rather, because Zane wasn't feeling too fine. As I earlier said, I was going to pick up his medication. He was just recovering, but he actually tried. The boy tried to even stay for these poses. You can even notice from the pictures that he's just recovering. Thank you so much for watching up until this point. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and put on your notification button to know when I post more videos.